Ay, 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 canta y no llore. Well, one of the things I really miss on keto is a really good taco. And I finally decided I am going to learn how to make myself a really nice taco. When I was a young boy, maybe 4 or 5 years old, we used to have a guy who lived with us who was from Mexico. We lived south of San Francisco. And on weekends, he would go up to the bars in San Francisco and he would make tacos for 10 cents each. And that's one of the ways he would make money. Well, he decided to teach us how he makes his tacos. And so to me, it kind of tastes a little bit more like a gringo taco, but it's still a really good taco. So I decided to take that recipe. I was going to adapt it to keto. And now I have a really good keto taco. We had it the other week and it was delicious. So we decided we're going to make a video on how to do it. So you start out, we're using grass-fed beef. And the reason is that the quality of the fat in grass-fed beef is better than the quality of the fat in farmed beef. It has more omega-3 acids than omega-6 acids. In the United States, most of our beef, which is farm beef, has a lot of omega-6 fatty acids. This has, because it's grass-fed, more omega-3s, and so it's healthier for you. It's healthier fat. So you start out with a pound of that beef. You throw in some onions, dried onions, and basically it's however many you like. I tend to like a lot. I do somewhere between 2 tablespoons and a 1/4 cup. I basically throw it in according to taste, but I want to make sure that I've got measures for all of you who want an exact measure on this stuff. So this is 4 tablespoons, which is a 1/4 cup. Then you want cumin. And you want 2 teaspoons of cumin. Put in 2 teaspoons of oregano. Then put in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it all up. Get that mixed in. And by the way, don't overmix it when you're mixing beef, because if you do overmix it, it starts to taste, you get a grainy texture, and you don't want that. So just get it in until everything's just mixed. Now that it's mixed in, throw it in a pot. Add a little bit of water to the pot, maybe a 1/4 cup of water, and you will have your taco meat. Turn it on medium. Break it up and let it cook down. Okay, and you want to stir it until the meat is completely cooked through like that. That's perfect. Now you can put it in a bowl and it's ready for taco. So now here's what turns it into tacos for the first time ever. Keto tacos. And these tortillas are pretty good. They're flour tortillas. They're carb balanced. They work out to roughly, what is this, like 3 or 4 grams of carbohydrates per tortilla. All right, so to make your taco, take some meat, put it on the tortilla. Now, I like cheese on my tacos. This is one of the things that makes it a little more gringo taco, but I like it with cheese, and so I'm going to use cheese. Then you can use whatever else you want on it. I'm going to take some lettuce. I'm going to put some lettuce on my tortilla. I like tomatoes. We have some chopped up tomatoes, and they go pretty well on there. I also like chopped up onions on my tortilla. Now, one thing that's essential to make this complete is you got to have some kind of salsa. We have here some Hatch chili salsa that's actually quite good, and I'm going to use that on here. But you can use any salsa you want. In fact, if you remember, I did a video on how to make your own pico de gallo and guacamole. You could do that, and you could put those in the taco as well. I will link the video for the guacamole and the salsa, actually the pico de gallo, up there. Now, the one other thing that makes this more of a gringo taco is sour cream. I like the sour cream on the taco. It's good, and it's keto, so why not? And that's it. You just wrap it up, you eat it, you have yourself a very nice taco. All the flavors that you want of the cumin and the oregano and the onions, and it tastes like a great taco. And for me, I just finished my intermittent fast from the night before, so this is a perfect lunch. Young prefers her tortilla and cheese heated up, so the cheese melts on the tortilla and the tortilla is more toasty. She also likes to use cilantro, and she likes to use pickled serrano peppers. Of course, that makes it even spicier, and Young likes things spicy. I like mine only medium spicy, which is why I'll just use the salsa.